Sneezing out, evil client. Hi, it's Robin Moses, and I'm here, and we are doing cherry blossoms. I've started this tutorial with a baby boomer French.
Yay, she got it first time.
And that is in my beginner playlist. And on the middle nail of this design, I have a hummingbird, and that is going to be in the bird playlist. So now I'm going to be doing cherry blossoms. So I try to do cherry blossoms every year when I see them, and Evil Client does give me a hard time because I love them.
She goes into cherry blossom mode.
I do. I love them so much. And I see them so much. Like on my walk, that's what I mean, it's so crazy how one day there's no cherry blossoms, then the next day they're everywhere, and then the next day they're gone. It's like 3 days where you're just like engulfed in all of these petals, and everywhere you walk you get like covered in petals. Like some days I'll come home and my whole hair is covered in petals. It's just like crazy. So I love them. I'm from Nevada. I never even saw anything. I didn't even know what anything was called. I didn't even know what a hydrangea or a daisy, you know, I knew what a daisy and a rose was because my mom was a florist, but it's not because I saw them growing. So now I'm going, I went in with a brown to do, oh, I need to teach. Okay, here we go. Starting over. On the thumb. With a dark brown, I am going to take my wand and push and then pull up towards the cuticle over the French. This will hide any flaws you have if you've done a baby boomer French, or I just call it a white ombre French. And it clears up your mistakes, and also just wherever you want to go. You can go sideways and show the French, or you can go up and down and not. I'll do them every other way, you know. And now I have the bird. And we will do the leaf around like this. Make the stick look like it's down low. Okay, so there. And just build it. And then up like that. Again, look, I'm just leaving it like that. Now with the other, I'm gonna fill my brush up again with dark brown, and that will be the leaves. I noticed that my tree, I planted it when I first moved here. It has brown orange leaves, and it is so pretty. And I don't know, do you notice that they have that on some trees, Evil Client? Mm-hmm. Some of them have green leaves. Yeah. And some of them have this orange green. I'm orange brown, like this. Yeah. So I'm doing the orange ones in favor of my tree today. So I'm pushing. And this is the brown I used, and I added a little bit of orange. Like that. And this is also awesome because, come on, catch. There we go. Because when you're working, it looks like sepia. So it looks like almost like antique or old-fashioned. This would be so pretty over newsprint. And I was thinking about using this other technique to get newsprint to look really rad, but I haven't tried it yet. So, but I think it'll work. It has everything I need. But you know, here we go, Evil Client, right? I know. I am a chemist, man. I'm always playing with stuff.
She totally is, because she does it on me all the time.
All the time. It's what I do. It's what I love to do. I love to play with chemicals and make art. And I don't want to have a channel that's just like everybody else, so I just do what I love to do on my channel. So there's that. Push. Plus, I know you guys can make a lot of money doing this in shops, and that you guys that are learning totally know it. And so we're in on the secret. You know what I'm saying? Like, man, everybody wants a YouTube channel, but the money's in the shop. I'm just saying, unless you have 8 million viewers that are all watching you on the same day, you know? Like, that's hard to get. Trust me. We've been trying for how many years to get even stuff. Like, I've got, yeah, but I've got a lot. I mean, I do. And it's just a part-time job. There there's this. That is so pretty. Oh my God, I totally want to just leave that. Maybe I should. Maybe I should just put a few blossoms on that, because that is beautiful. Okay, so I have my orange and red out. I mean my red and pink. Sorry, I'm here. I'm working in red and pink right here. That makes the most brilliant pop red. Okay, now I'm going into white, just rolling around the way I make roses. Okay, that's about cherry blossom pink in its most vivid form. Every other part of cherry blossom pink is lighter than this. So I will be working in here, and then this is the darkest color right here. I'll be working in here, and then when I need lighter flowers, I'll go in here and add more white. So I'm basically ombreing my paint from dark pink to light pink on the palette. And starting here and just pulling to where I have a bead of red on the end of my brush, like that. Okay, now with just the very dot, like that, okay? There, like that. 3 of them. That's a good. Then I'm gonna pull from the white. And allow him to punch. Then go back down into the darker. And how they do is they cluster into these really like thick, rich, they look like popcorn, only pink. Okay. That's so cute. Because you know I'm right. Right?
Kinda, I guess.
They do.
I just never thought of it like that.
Yeah. You're making little kernels of popcorn. Pop, pop, pop. Because when I watch them fall, you can almost hear them scream. My daughter thinks that is so funny that I told her that. I was like, Ty, when you see a cherry blossom fall, do you hear it scream? And she laughed for like a month. Like, she'll still bring it up every once in a while. Because to me, it sounds like they're going, wah! Because they fall so fast. Okay. I'll stop. I'll stop. But you guys get the idea. Oh, they're just so pretty. So inspired.
See, and you guys, I go through this every year with the cherry blossoms.
You know what?
So you're only like, getting it this year.
they're like, oh, yep, you do. So you guys, they're so jealous of you, evil client. They all want their nails painted. We're gonna do a tour someday. There's gonna be like a rich, eccentric person that'll say, oh my God, I'm gonna pay Robin Moses to go around the world painting. Evil client, go with her. And I'm like, yay. Awesome, the internet works. What?
And I'll
thought it was broken.
Totally go with you.
I know you will. Shoot. That is just so pretty. I like that. So,
I need a good trip.
I know.
I'm so tired of being stuck here.
There's worse places to be stuck.
I know, there are.
We do live in kind of like an Eden. It is beautiful, but gosh, it's very small.
Yeah. And right now I don't like it very much because we got the...
So windy.
It's so windy, and every time the wind comes up, it's that stupid pollen.
Oh, yeah.
My car is covered in pollen.
Washed my car today.
I haven't even bothered because I know it'll just be right back on there.
It was awful.
Just wash the windshield off and let it sit there.
Yeah.
Get the pollen, which I probably shouldn't do, but...
That is just too cute. Okay, so I'm going to finish off and I'll meet you back. Okay, so here is the end result. So there are 3 tutorials in this tutorial, and I'm going to link them all to the end. This is a baby boomer French, cherry blossoms, and the hummingbird. The hummingbird is in the bird nails playlist, so you can learn how to paint a hummingbird. This will be in the flowers playlist, And then how to do this French in a ombre is in the beginners playlist. But I broke it down so that it would be fun for you to learn, and you can mix and match whatever you want. You can just do the flowers or the bird or whatever. But I would like to see you do it and hashtag me, inspired by Robin Moses. Or someone said a cutest hashtag, it was Robin Moses taught me, hashtag. Because if I've taught you something, then if I go to that hashtag, I can see what I taught you. So I thought that was a great idea. I think that I'm going to add that into my comment section. What's that? The description section, so you guys can know what to tag. And anyways, as always, please subscribe, hit like, leave a comment, leave a request, and or if I haven't described this in detail enough, please tell me where I could go deeper and show you. If you like cherry blossoms, search Robin Moses YouTube for cherry blossoms. I have tons, dozens of designs of cherry blossoms in different colors, different lengths, different shapes, everything. I try to do them every year, and Evil Client is screaming, yeah, she does it too much. And I never get bored of it, and so I'm going to keep on teaching it, and Evil Client's going to keep on letting me. Am I right?
Right.
Yes, because she loves me, and we're friends forever. Anyways, thank you guys for watching. I'll see you back with more. Bye!
Bye.
I'm going to hold this for a second there.